Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before we are going to my video, kindly click subscribe to my channel. Or if you don't see my name, search this name, Berlinda Make Money Online. Click this name. You can say this video. This is my old video. Click my name, Berlinda Make Money Online. And then you can see this is my channel. This is all my video here. If you are new here to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click subscribe and click bell icon for more video notification. And now guys, we are talking about how to pay travel in the world. Want the opportunity to give away free vacation to your leads, prospects, and clients? Sounds too be good to be true. Well, it is not. Plug into the exact system we use to give away over 315,000 trips. If you are a business person or entrepreneurs, you need to advertising boost more leads and sales. This is a message for you. Travel and dining incentives generate billions in sales. High up and front cost. Ongoing expenses. Advertising boosts travel and dining incentives. It is subscription-based travel incentives designed for any size business to the industry to the base program. Advertising boosts double, triple your profits, anything to see your life. A complimentary travel or dining incentives to explode your leads and sales. Our travel expense to the 3-night hotel stays in the world in the Las Vegas, 7-night hotel stays in Thailand, dramatically increase leads and sales. The Greater Bank over $1 billion in loans. Switch to the Greater Bank vacation promotion. The Greater Bank over $1 million in loans. Too good to be true. But definitely is not. We are giving a 315,000 trips. Over 22,000 video testimonials. The fastest growing online travel company in the world. There are 200 million plus in sales. We are partnered with leading online travel company. Additional revenue for the resorts. We have dining guru, powerful dining and retail incentives. Like restaurant, this is a great for increasing sales, retain customers, and customer referrals. We are distribute incentives via email and in person to close more sales. If you are to access for video ads for social media, we build sales funnels and landing page. And also access to ultimate Facebook secrets. Your blueprint to a success to develop over $27 million in ad spend. We generate over 3.9 million Facebook fans. Taylor Morgan said, my Rivera Maya promotion has generated almost $7,000 in sales about 24 hours. And it is not over yet. Should break $10,000 at the end of the day. Wow, she said. Just advertising boost works for any business, e-commerce, information products, professional service, retail, networking marketing, business to business, and much more. So what are we waiting for? What are you waiting for? Subscribe now that you can access unlimited travel incentives, unlimited dining incentives, amazing marketing tools, and so much more. Join now and start increasing your sales for today with advertising boost. If you want to more information to my video, kindly read the description below and click the link for my affiliate link about how to pay travel in the world. That's all, guys. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe below and click bell icon. Mercy and thank you. Bye for now.